Hello everyone, this is my third e-learning chess class. This video I am going to teach the chess opening and tactics. There are lakhs of different type of tactics in the game. I will teach 5 or 6 tactics in this video. Learning the basic skills is very easy, but you have to understand the concept of the game. So many indirect moves were there in the game. In one move itself, it will attack more than 2 different pieces. In the first example, it's double attack. In one move itself, it will attack 2 different pieces. Here in this position, the knight f4. From f4 to when you keep e6, it will attack 2 pieces. It is a check for the black king. At the same time, you can capture the queen. This is a compulsory move for the black because after the check, the black king will move some other squares. After the next move, you can capture the black queen. So white will take advantages in this board because the white have 3 pawns. The next example, the white bishop is in a4. From a4 to when you move c6, that means when you capture the black pawn, next move you can capture any one of the rook because both rook were diagonally in the same line. So how to save any one rook from this game means you have to keep the black rook in the same line. That means you can take the e4 rook and keep e8, or take the a8 rook, you can keep e4. Because when the bishop capture any one rook, the next move you can capture the bishop with the help of the rook. After that, the black will take advantage. This is a compulsory move for the black. In this position, you can see when the black bishop cannot move anywhere because the next move, the white queen will capture the black bishop. It is a check for black king. It is a compulsory move for the black rook. So the black rook will capture the queen. After that, the white rook will capture the black rook. The game will get over. The king cannot move anywhere. The next example, with the help of other pieces also, we can make a checkmate. Here you can see the knight is f5. With the help of the white knight, the queen can go for check. The next example, in this position, the white rook should not go for check. Most of the beginners straight away they will go for check. There is no meaning of keeping check because 1000 times when you keep a check, the king will have so many options. The king will move from one square to other squares. In this position, you have to attack the bishop or knight. When you keep the rook in between the bishop or knight, so the next move you can capture any one of the piece. It's called double attack. The last and final example, here this is a compulsory move for the black king. The black king can move only from g8 to h8. If the black king suppose move from g8 to h8, you can capture the black bishop. The game will get over. Thank you, children. Next, I will upload the chess opening. This is one of the popular and famous chess opening because many beginners they don't know how to start the game. So this video I will guide them how to start the game. Sometimes the beginners will start with the rook side pawn. That is not a right move. You have to memorize these moves because the same moves, that means the first 5 moves, it's a fixed one. You can memorize this one. After that you can play in based on the situation. Don't start with the rook side pawn. Open e4. This is one of the best move because you can take a good control in the center of 4 squares. So this is a very popular move. 90% of the players they will use this move e4. After e4, the next you have to take the knight out. Knight f3. Before, when you take the bishop, if you open the knight, it is more advantageous in the game. You have to follow the same move. Minimum you have to play 10 games. After knight, you can take the bishop out. After, when you take the bishop out, there is no pieces between the king and rook. So in this situation, you can do the castling also. When you do castling, you have to make sure when there is no pieces between the king and rook, you can do castling. After castling, don't open the g4, that means the king side pawn. That is not a good move because there is no supporting pieces for the king. It is disadvantageous for your game. So next you have to open the queen side pawn, that means the d3, because after that the bishop can move f4. The f4 bishop is a very strong position. It will protect the h2 pawn as well as it will attack the c7 black pawn. Then if you move the rook e1, it is threatening to the opposite black king because it is straight to the black king. So this is the very famous move. The same way you can take the knight also c3. Now I am going to practice with the computer. This is a famous move. The opponent respond with the pawn. In this position, you can take your knight c3, threatening to the queen. The queen will move. Then after that, you can take the other knight. Then after that, you can open the pawn. It will threatening to the bishop will attack. Then next to the bishop again, it will go and attack the queen. Now the queen is one step forward. You can take the bishop. Then you can do the castling. Now the white is in very safe and strong position. So this is the one of the best and famous move. So I recommend all the beginners, you can follow the same moves. Minimum you have to play 10 to 15 position in the same opening. Then only you will understand the concept of the game. I hope you all enjoy this video. Here I will guide you how to use chess.com because many children they are not having chessboard at home. Download this app and create a new account. This app you can use from beginners to grandmaster level. That means beginners to the world champion. Because that much information is there in this app. Through this app, you can play with your online members and you can invite your friends also to play. You can play with computer. But for the beginners, I won't recommend to play with the computer for full game. You can practice only certain skills with the computer. Even the puzzles also, every week they are uploading the puzzles they are taking from grandmaster levels. Even this app, you can watch the top players games as well as your friends games. So many options were there. Every week they are uploading chess related videos. Whoever want to improve the game, you have to watch the chess related videos. It will useful to improve your skills. My dear children, this game is not only for the competition purpose. You have to practice this game for your knowledge because when you play chess, it will work both sides of the brain. This is the beauty of this game. At the same time, it will improve your IQ level and it will improve your concentration. Moreover, it is good for your memory power. Here, I am going to teach you how to utilize the chess.com app. This is chess.com. The first option is to play with online members. Even for these online members also, so many options were there. That means first you have to set the timing. That's very important because so many options were there: 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes. But for I will recommend for the beginners, you have to choose 10 minutes game, because each and every move you have to think and plan. Next, the same app, you can create a challenge also with your friends. Open challenges also it's there. You can play with your friends. Even you can join a tournament, play with computer. You can watch game for your friends and the top players. For example, here you can see I am going to press the top players. That means the top players games you can lively you can watch at the same time. You can friends games also. Right now there is no friends playing in online, so that you can watch your friends games also. Then next is puzzles. Then videos were there. Every week they are uploading chess related videos. Definitely it will useful for your skills. Then computer, you can play with the computer in a different level from level 1 to level 10. But when you practice with the computer, you have to choose level 5. Here you can see, when you go for the new game with a computer, before the game you can set the settings is there. You have to create level 5. I will recommend for level 5 for all beginners. If you practice in level 5, after that you can go for level 6. Then here the puzzles were there, tournament also is there. You can join a, but you have to register in the chess association. Then only you can able to play for the tournament. Here you can see I am going to take the puzzles. How to just utilize the puzzles? See here I am going to start play. Now black to move. Within 10 seconds you have to decide which is the right move. According to this position, because every seconds the puzzles will change. So lively I am giving the examples for this video. I am taking, so according to this board position, I can capture the white rook. It's a check for the king. The first one cleared. The second black to move. Which one I have to take? Now I am going to take again the rook. Now white to move. So you have within 10 seconds you have to plan how to which pieces have to move. According to this board position, I am going to take the knight and going to keep a check for king. At the same time, the next move you can capture the rook. Next black to move. So according to this position, black have to move. Which is the right move? You could take 10 seconds. So I am going to keep the bishop there. The next black to move. You can see here both the black rooks were in the same line. If I go for check, they will capture the rook. At the same time, with the help of my rook, I can capture. In this position, the king started to move. Then my queen were here. I can utilize my queen. This is the way you have to practice for the puzzles. Here, black to move. So here in this position, next I can capture the next white to move. Now in this position it is called a double attack. Now I am going to take the knight. Next white to move. White have to move. Which is the best to move? The best move is, it is called a double attack. I am going to take the white bishop from d6 to e5. That means the black bishop going to give a check for the black king. At the same time, you can capture the rook. Now black to move. Now this position, this is also type of indirect move. Now in this position, I am going to take the white king is with the support of the white knight. That means the knight is in C3. Because of the knight, the queen were here. So I am going to first capture the knight to say check. Because once if you say check, there is no options. You have to clear for the check. At the same time, there is no support in the queen. I am going to capture the queen. The next is white to move. Which is the best position? See here, with the support of my knight, I am going for check. The next move, the knight will go for check. Now in this position, with the support of the knight, again I am going for check. The game over. So this is the way you have to practice. It is very good. So out of 10 I cleared. So next is, you can use this one for the drill practice, because through computers you can practice only the certain skills. So first you have to practice for end game. So many options were there. I will teach you how to play for end game. Through this app you can easily develop your skills. Here you can see, in this position the king want to be more active, because in the first lesson I taught the king also will capture the pieces. Now this game you come to know the importance of the king moves. The white is now, according to this board position, the white is advantage. I am going to just start the king. So their king also started. Whose king is more active can dominate the game. Now the game become draw. In case if you want to play again, you can choose game. I will tell you. You can even 1,000 times if you want to practice the same skills. Easily you can practice. If you want to practice more than 10 times also, you can practice. Now I taken the queen. So here you can see once the pawn reach in the last corner, you can capture, you can promote anything, any options. Four options were there. You can take rook, either bishop, knight or queen. So according to the game position, you have to choose. Now I am going to choose queen. So through how to captures already I taught in the second list. So you have to minimize the king movement. Then finally I am going to take the king help. Now the king is in the edge. I am going to keep the queen in the second row. After that you can take your king. Now the game over. So you can practice some skills also through this app. You can join in tournament. Here you can see some videos also there. They are uploading new videos related to the chess skills. At the same time, the chess tournaments were there. Even some articles also there. Chess related news also you can read. You can play with your friends. You can analyze your games. So many options were there. So no need chessboard, no need opponent. At home itself, you can learn these skills.